So at first I'm write a text. If you want to change any font style, Ctrl+T to increase size. Click on, press on drop shadow. Okay. Then you get gradient option. Select gradient overlay and showing it to more option. Press on to basic if you want to create your own gradient or provide more option. Blue color and more color, provide Photoshop. Just select any on. Okay. Or if you want to create your own gradient, go to basic option, select. Okay, double press, then you get this option. So press on to select color, or if you want to add more color, just press on and add more, change. Okay. If you want to change mode, there have many mode. Effect. Okay. If you want to increase or decrease opacity, classic to linear. Okay, overall set, press on OK. So that's it.